Hi, today I'm for the LENOVO Tab P11 Plus, and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So first, let's open the settings application and then tap to the sound section. After that, we can see here the Dolby Sounds apps. If you want to use it, you should just use it from here. The same the Dolby Messages enhancer, and if you use it, you just should use the switcher just to change media alarm and notification volume panels, or just to change the volume of the media alarm and notifications. We should just slide to the left or to the right side of these blue dots. If you want to use vibration in silent mode, just click on the switcher to turn it on and turn it off. Or if you want to set the don't disturb mode, just click here to turn on and turn off. We can also allow the messages and the notifications from different apps, and if you want to set the schedule, the start and the end time, we can also make it here. Just to change default notification or alarm sound, just click on this section and select one from these available sounds. Tap to OK to save the changes. And if you want to use screen lock and lock sound, charging sounds, vibration, touch sounds, and touch vibrations, we should just click on the switchers to use these options or just to turn them off. So that's it. That's all of the sound settings on our LENOVO Tab P11 Plus. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.